face changing master on stage, there will be another master on stage, but he will be playing some fire tricks. So I would like to clear the floor here. Because of the fire, you may feel a bit heat and also the spark may drop. So we would like to advise our visitors to stay a safe distance away from the stage. OK， 下来呢是我们的川剧变脸。那么以前呢是传男不传女，那么现在女生也可以学。除了变脸的大师在台上表演之外呢，还有另外一位将会呈现吐火的表演。所以呢，我们就要请我们的游客们后退一点点，保持一个安全的距离。还有中间这边的 center passage also would like to have a passage because the face changing master is going to walk and get closer to you. 我们的变脸大师呢会走向我们这舞台的下面这边哈，跟我们做近距离的接触，所以我们需要前面大家保持安全距离。